These bikes are built tough, and with this massive engine upgrade, you've got power and reliability packed into one incredible machine.
Welcome to BikeSphere, your trusted destination for in-depth motorcycle and mini bike insights. Today, we explore the brand new 2026 Coleman B200, a compact machine that carries a rugged legacy while stepping boldly into the future. This 5-minute breakdown covers performance, design, practicality, and what makes the 2026 B200 one of the most talked about mini bikes of the year. Design and build quality. At first glance, the 2026 B200 carries the familiar rugged stance. Thick tires, high handlebars, and a minimalistic layout. However, Coleman has used stronger tubular steel for the frame, enhancing durability. The seat has been redesigned for better comfort during extended rides, and the updated suspension setup absorbs bumps more effectively than previous generations. The overall appearance retains its rugged retro DNA, but with cleaner welds, improved ergonomics, and a more premium finish. Riders will immediately notice the tighter, sturdier feel compared to older models. Engine and performance. The heart of the 2026 B200 is a refined 200 cubic centimeters 4-stroke engine designed to deliver smoother power delivery and better fuel efficiency. Coleman has worked on reducing vibration and improving throttle response, making this mini bike feel more confident on trails and open dirt stretches. Its top speed remains modest, making it ideal for beginners and recreational riders. But the real highlight is the torque-heavy tuning, giving it confident low-end pull for small hills, farm use, or campsite exploration. Maintenance remains straightforward, making it a dependable machine for years of use. A new era for a mini bike legend. The Coleman B200 has long been a symbol of affordability, simplicity, and backyard fun. The 2026 iteration aims to elevate that heritage. While staying true to its classic proportions and easy ride personality, the updated model brings improved engineering, stronger build quality, and features that make it more relevant for both casual riders and light-duty adventurers. This year's version keeps the retro spirit alive, but blends it with modern refinement, an important shift for riders who want reliability without losing the charm of a traditional mini bike. Features and practical upgrades. Coleman introduces several practical upgrades for 2026. A more efficient air cooling system improves long ride performance. The exhaust has been adjusted for lower noise and a safer heat profile, which is ideal for family-friendly environments. Fuel efficiency increases slightly thanks to carburation tuning, and the simplified wiring makes diagnostics easier for DIY owners. Additional enhancements include improved foot pegs, better chain protection, and an upgraded rear brake system that provides more consistent stopping power. Who is it for? The 2026 Coleman B200 is designed for riders who want simple fun without the complications of high-performance bikes. It's great for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, ranch owners, or anyone who just wants a reliable, small machine for weekend exploration. Its friendly power delivery and compact size also make it suitable for younger or less experienced riders under proper supervision. This mini bike isn't about speed or extreme off-roading. It's about accessibility, enjoyment, and practicality, all wrapped in a nostalgic package. Final verdict. The 2026 Coleman B200 continues a legacy of approachable, durable, and fun mini bikes. With its updated frame strength, smoother performance, and thoughtful improvements, it stands out as one of the best budget-friendly recreational bikes of the year. Coleman has managed to honor its past while delivering a machine that feels more refined and reliable than ever. Whether for adventure, utility, or simple leisure riding, the 2026 B200 is built to deliver pure, uncomplicated fun. Exactly what a mini bike should be.